Okay, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to set up real-time for the first time. So a couple things we want to check before we go in. On the Winner main screen, you're going to right click on the background and go to Preferences. Go to Room Recording. Verify that if you're using room audio, make sure this is checked. I'm sorry, make sure this is your room audio. Could be internal microphone, it could be a separate USB microphone, any of those things. And then we click on OK. Now we're going to go into the real time, and the real time is this button right here, second from the top, left. It's got a world on the back of it and computer in front of it. Now we're going to go from the real-time translation menu, we're going to go into Preferences. And then we're going to go to Writer and make sure this is set to none. And then make sure you have checked Speech Input Suspended. Then click on OK. Make sure you're in real-time mode. And give it a transcript name. And then click on Connect. It's going to ask you to make sure that your audio device or your mask is properly connected to the computer. And you can say don't show this again, but it's not a bad idea to have it up. Then click on OK. This is going to open up the editor, start up Dragon, and now we're ready. And now, if I want to start speaking, I click on my microphone, it turns on, and then Dragon will start picking up anything that you say to your mask. There is a small volume meter, and if you look down here at the bottom, I've clicked on, it's called Sound Rec, and if I want to show the room recording meter, I can click on and minimize this, and you can move these to where you can see them a little bit better. This is my mask, and this is the room recording. This is job stats. It gives you all the stats that you need. If you have speaker tokens, which you will after you go through your macros training, you can have that there. Auto brief is for steno writers, so we will not have that. There are other panels that you can show. You can show the ProCAT player. It's not much needed here. Speech tokens, if you want. Here's some speech tokens. Okay. And then there are also the find list and bookmarks. You'll get more from those in another tutorial that's in the tutorial area. So that is starting a real-time job. Now if you want to hear what you've been saying, you can come back up, turn off your microphone, and hit the recording meter. I can click on. Now this is playing back, and you can my mask. If I want to hear my room recording, I would hit Control Alt and then the speaker. And if I want to show, and then that will record. That will play back my room recording. So that's all there really is to starting a real-time job. I'll see you in my next tutorial.